Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to explore ideas in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the ChatGPT section. So first, just type in, for example, a destination that you're interested in, like the Bahamas, and just send it. And as you can see, the ChatGPT will write a small description on the Bahamas. And if you have any question like how can I travel to the Bahamas, ChatGPT will answer in a few seconds, and you can just use it to help plan your trip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.